My wish. That one right there was my wish. And I'm taking it back.
Can y'all name that movie? Comment down below, name that movie, what she just did. Y'all, so we didn't get to make Costa Maya, but we are here at Cozumel. So we'll be here at Cozumel for 2 days, and guess what? Look who's behind us. Oh my god, that is a big ship. So yeah, we'll be here. We also have the Valor, Carnival Valor over here, and we also have Utopia of the Seas is here also. So we'll be here for 2 days. Try to get some more footage. All right, y'all, so we are in a tequila museum. Mayan warriors. So yeah, once we got off the ship, y'all, and came across the port, what we did was took a left and walk straight down.
Okay, none of our tags are working. Plus, we need to give a right. Oh, goodness.
This used to be up. Do we that? He's just used to watching cartoons.
It's like the Goonies. Remember that part in the Goonies? Yeah. Booby traps. Dang, I could just look like One Eye Willie.
Play a part in the movie. This was my wish.
Hold on, hold
This
on,
one was my wish.
hold on. Is your mic on? This was my wish.
You ain't supposed to tell them I was gonna do something.
So again, those that's asking, this is a tequila mine, how they made tequila, some of the things that they use to make tequila, and all the information and stuff like that. So if you need to pause the video or rewind the video and watch the video over again, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on it. But these are the things they use to make tequila. You have the Spanish version to the left, you have the English version to the right. Like I said, if you need to pause the video or just rewind the whole video and watch it again, please do. There's Tawana's aunt and auntie. And this is the actual building that we're in now. That's Tawana in the middle.
It's you.
Again, English, you got the English on the right side and Spanish on the left side.
I wonder what that leads to.
It's probably to the top of the mine.
Your old apartment.
And that's the name of the place. And where we're at. I would love to have that. And there we go. So once you come out the museum, these are all the tequilas, different types of tequilas. They're different prices and stuff like that. We did just do a tequila tasting. So make sure y'all come check them out. Look up, Marlon. Say cheese. So now we are actually leaving the tequila area. Right here at Don Tequila. Y'all see it right here. Check that out, y'all. The Mayans. Photo time.
A few moments later.
cause someday, 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 I go make my family proud. Someday, someday, I go buy Ferrari, I go buy the motor, I go buy you good things. Thank God for the billions. I go buy Ferrari, I go buy the motor, I go buy the good things. Thank God for the million. People go ask me,